Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable hardware virtualization. So let's check it first. Go to Task Manager and Performance. Under CPU tab you can check it if it was enabled or disabled. So let's get into it. We open our PC and enter the BIOS setting, and then we go to Advanced Mode and Tweaker, and we look for Advanced CPU Settings. After clicking Advanced CPU Setting, we should find SVM mode, and let's change that to Enabled. Hit Escape and then go to Save and Exit. Or you can just click F10, hit yes, and restart your PC. So let's check it again. Go to Task Manager, Performance, and as you can see right here, it's enabled. You are done guys for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more tips. If you find any issue, leave a comment and I will help you.